Hello elevator maintenance professionals. This is Shakil Ahmed and you're listening Elevators Safety Podcast through my LinkedIn page. Today's podcast is about the precautionary measures during the rainy season to avoid unnecessary breakdowns and entrapments which may cause inconvenience to the building owners, tenants and end users. Every year before the rainy season, you should remind your elevator maintenance team about the precautionary measures and ensure awareness and education of customers to minimize the breakdowns and entrapments, which may result in spare parts damages, troubles and operational losses due to the heavy rains and thunderstorms. Rains may stop the elevators and escalator operation due to the water flow in the pit, shaft, hoist-way and machine room, which may damage various semiconductor parts, resulting in operational and financial losses. The following measures are advised to be taken to minimize the breakdown of elevators and escalators before or during the rainy season. This information must be shared with the concerned person, such as owners, customers, or customers' representative of all the projects, especially in the rain-affected areas. As an elevator maintenance professional, you or your team should ensure proper earth or grounding on all elevators and escalators under your maintenance. Be reminded that proper earth or grounding takes a critical role in electrical systems to protect the elevator maintenance professionals from electrical shocks, prevent the risk of fire that could be caused by current leakage, and prevent damage to electrical equipment in case of overcurrent and lightning strikes. Ensure that the earth wire from the control panel to the main circuit breaker is connected to the earth wire provided by the building. If the earth wire is not found or not connected, request client or facility management to send a building maintenance electrician to identify and provide earth connection. This has to be recorded in the monthly preventative maintenance service report sheet as well. Elevator engineers or supervisors should also write a letter to the customer for the provision of proper earth connection and associated risks. Educating customers about the precautionary measures before and during the rainy season is the key to avoid elevator breakdowns. So please educate and remind the customers, owners or their authorized representatives on the following precautionary measures. Before the rainy season, advise the customers or owners to make sure that they have provided proper building earthing terminals to the elevators and escalators. Advise the customers or owners to make sure the tenants in the building is well aware of the importance of closing windows, entry doors in the lift lobby during the rainy seasons to avoid water entry through the landing door gaps, which may result in entrapment or spare parts damages or even the equipment out of order. Advise the customers or owners to make sure that all the holes or see-through gaps of windows, door and aircon cutouts of the elevator machine rooms are properly closed. They must ensure no leakage or cracks in the roof or walls of the machine room. During the heavy rain, in case of water coming inside the elevator pit, immediately stop the elevator at the top floor and turn off the power supply. Wait till the pit is properly dried before the elevator is put into operation. To avoid further damages or troubles, park the elevator on the top floor and switch off the power supply. Make sure no water is entering the elevator pit, shaft, through landing doors and machine room. Resume the operation after making sure no water has been engaged in any of the said parts of the elevator and the complete equipment is properly dried. The following parts must be properly inspected visually and functionally before making the equipment operational. Traction machine, control panel, transformers, inside machine room, cart-up station, hall call buttons, and pit room. In the end, I would like to remind you all about the precautions to be considered for escalators in the commercial buildings. During rainy season, Please instruct and remind the building maintenance team or security guards to not allow passengers to use escalators with wet shoes to avoid water entry or dripping in escalator steps. They may arrange additional mats to dry the wet shoes before the passengers use escalators. In case of any support or clarification required, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. If you feel that the information in today's podcast may help your colleagues, please don't hesitate to share it. Sharing is caring. Signing off, it's me, Shakil Ahmed. Take care till the next podcast on elevators and escalator. Stay blessed and always remember safety first.